The world is changing. Computers and the internet have changed the way we communicate. Staying in touch every day is much easier, and new acquaintances are made with just a click. New opportunities have emerged, which is now a given for us. The internet provides new business opportunities and makes existing processes easier for everyone. Just as then, we are once again standing on the forefront of historical changes that will have a lasting impact on all of us. Terms such as blockchain and tokenization are everywhere. Everyone is becoming aware that these emerging technologies will revolutionize our global economy and affect our daily lives. However, the door to this technological universe has not yet been opened for most.
So we had in 2018 a very intense talk with one of my best friends, and we were talking about new ideas, new projects, and he told me that he had a vision. And it was to create a decentralized exchange in a way that nobody did before. ZENIQ is special because we are trying to make blockchain accessible and easy for everybody. We are not focusing on the people who are already in the world, this 3%. We're focusing on 97% of the world who are not already in this, who have like these little challenges. We are now in the stage where people in the past were saying, oh, internet is something very complicated, it's for the young generation. No, now we are in the same stage. We are opening the doors now for all the people to say, okay, we want to be part of it, and we have now the tool, the portal, to enter in this world.
ZENIQ is one of the first fintech companies in the world whose sole mission is to provide access to this world, making it as easy as booking a hotel. The world needs improvement. ZENIQ makes it possible. Using intelligent solutions, ZENIQ provides its customers with an unprecedented ecological system, robust safety standards, and a unique digital system for transactions integrates elegantly into the current financial system. Blockchain technology allows tokenization projects fast, transparent, and cost-efficient funding of assets such as real estate, solar or wind energy plants, art, and much more.
So tokenization is digital assets. So we are able to tokenize projects, real estate, companies, art. And I think the future will change. In the World Economy Forum, for example, they said that until 2027, this market will be 24 trillion US dollars. And I think that this is still a very low estimation because there are so many possibilities that we didn't take now in consideration because we don't know what will happen now in the next few years. And I think that this is the first time where, for example, the stock market, where it was like very special thing for the big players in the market, now tokenization is for everybody. And this is a big game changer. So the collaboration with OCS was for us very, very important because they understand the world of blockchain, and this is like a huge advantage. And when we had our first talk, we immediately realized that there is a connection and we have to do something together. And so I'm very happy that we jumped in, and I'm looking forward to what we will create together.
For us, OCS, to find a way to partner and to cooperate with ZENIQ was in principle on a short way done. ZENIQ, with this leading technology, with this device what they created, is one of the biggest assets for us, OCS. And there's also one statement what I can do, that in future blockchain, fintech technology and easy way of going for our clients will be the biggest asset and cannot be waived anymore.
We want to be the key as a door opener for the blockchain world. And this door is for us a portal, and the portal is our ZENIQ Hub. And with the ZENIQ Hub, you have the opportunity for three different things. So on the first part, you have the security. And we have a three-factor authentication. So top security for all your digital assets. Second, it's the decentralized exchange, not just on one blockchain. You can trade all different coins, all different blockchains, decentralized, and you're the holder and owner of the private key. So you are the owner. So all in one, this is unique.
Just as in the past, we now find ourselves in between a historical change that provides unimaginable opportunities for the world. ZENIQ is handing you the keys to this universe. Claim your piece of the future.